I've always been intrigued by iMAL and its program, and to me, what fascinates me the most is that it was historically grounded in digital technologies. But nowadays, the way designers, artists, architects learn how to create with digital technologies is used to study other things. The starting point of my talk here today was about the importance of observation, and illustrate that with different projects that I've been doing about digital technologies, the Anthropocene, and the Alps. We had a discussion this morning by Régine Debatty about the Mediterranean Sea. For me, that's a clear example of what I find interesting here. It's not just about the digital, it's about building a certain ways of being in the world.
I see more and more artists, whether they are collectives or people who work with local communities, they really want to work with the community and have a real impact.
Throughout my practice, I've been exploring kind of the latent potential of electronic waste, circuit bending or hacking of electronics. And lately I've been interested in the stuff that we never use in a workshop, which is the leftover, like the plastic, the PCB that we can't hack or reuse. So I'm kind of trying to make those objects into different type of exploration of media archaeology. Before destroying, we separated the devices into useful things. And then there's the process of destruction, shredding and melting those devices into what looks like a core sample.
We've learned how to cook base recipes of bioplastics because I think that is the best way to start getting to the world of biofabrication. For example, in my case, I use it in fashion to create fabrics and garments. So each person that has participated has made their own mixes in color with natural pigments, with different textures.
You can really connect and meet people and have a fun, lovely time in VR. So you can create games, shows, music, art. So for example, I can very quickly start a new world, just drag and drop a sky, some stage, visual elements, and some instruments. This is a really nice, simple instrument.
Today's workshop was really about getting familiar with some AI technology that can be used for creative purpose. And for the afternoon, it was going from a digital pieces created with AI to a physical object.
I decided to attend the workshop yesterday. There is a lot of hype around AI, so I think it's important to explore our artists, communicate this to people. And then I also came today for the talk of the artist. I really enjoyed the experience. For the workshop, you always feel you participate because you talk with artists. Also the panel, you could talk with speakers.
The last 2 months we've been doing a residency at iMAL, part of the EMAP network, and we've been looking into bioacoustics and interspecies communication within Brussels. We've been running a workshop, part of the Cookery.
It was an in-depth workshop into the softwares that we used as well as the research and process that we used to create the work.
The workshop was about active listening and about how we can develop our own voice. We were doing different meditations, and then little by little we were doing some improvisations. At the end of the workshop, the participants joined me on the concert. It was really about how can we play.